But Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just tweeted, and I'm quoting from that tweet, I have been getting many requests from the citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views, respecting their sentiment. The Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Jai Hind. Well, that's the Prime Minister there making the formal announcement, as Khel Ratna has now will be known as the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, and this is respecting the hero of our times, Dhyan Chand, Major Dhyan Chand, who had represented India in the 1928, 1932 and 1936 Olympics, where all three times India had won a gold medal. Piyush, the timing couldn't have been better. All right, so quickly quoting once again from the Prime Minister's tweet as we get back, Piyush, as he goes on to say that I have been getting many requests from the citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views, respecting their sentiment. The Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called as the Major Dhyan Chand, the Khel Ratna Award. Jai Hind. So that is the Prime Minister there who is honoring the great, the legend, Major Dhyan Chand, whose award will now be renamed as the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Piyush, if you can hear me, the timing couldn't have been better. The Prime Minister there making the official announcement.
Well, absolutely, Amita, we have seen how Prime Minister always encourages athletes, and since the time Olympic Games are going on, we have seen not only the hockey players but also players from different genres. They are being encouraged by Prime Minister every time he speaks to them. Also today, also he held he spoke to the players, and now he has come out and tweeted, and I quote, I have been getting many requests from citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views, respecting their sentiments. The Khel Ratna Awards will hereby be called the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. That's a very big development coming in, where the sentiments of people have been respected by the Prime Minister, and he has named and he has changed the name of Khel Ratna Award to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Also, what we are given to understand is that on 9th of August, the Ministry of Sports, Youth and Sports Affairs is going to felicitate the players also at Major Dhyan Chand Stadium itself, where as of now, if you go by the routine, what we are told is that the men's hockey team players will be felicitated, and most likely women hockey team will almost.
Right.
Hockey team players will
so
also
earlier known as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, it has now been renamed to honor the great legend. When we talk about Major Dhyan Chand there, because of late we have been also getting multiple reactions, Piyush, if we talk about the great hockey legend, and he is one of the world's greatest hockey players. He scored 400 goals in international hockey and a career that spanned for over 20 years. It is high time that the hockey hero, the hockey great be honored, and this is exactly what the Prime Minister has been doing. Just now he has tweeted, I'm quoting once again from the tweet there on your television screens, where he goes on to say that I have been getting many requests from the citizens from India to rename Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views. राजवीर जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए. अब जाकर अगर हम मेजर ध्यानचंद को याद कर रहे हैं और जिस तरीके से इंडिया की परफॉर्मेंस रही है, चाहे मेंस टीम हो चाहे वुमेन्स टीम हो, अब खेल रत्न अवार्ड मेजर ध्यानचंद के नाम दिया गया है.
बिल्कुल, ये तो आज बहुत खुशी वाला दिन है कि आज जो पीएम साहब ने ये जो अनाउंसमेंट किया है, क्योंकि ये तो उनके परिवार के लिए भी और हमारे सब जितने हॉकी लवर्स हैं उनके लिए ये बहुत बड़ी खबर है कि हॉकी का नाम जो है ये बुलंदियों पे चले गया. ये राजीव गांधी अवार्ड का नाम हटा के ये दादा ध्यानचंद का नाम लगेगा. इससे बड़ी खुशी वाली बात और कोई नहीं हो सकती. और बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद सारे इंडियन लवर्स को, हॉकी लवर्स को, और पीएम साहब का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जिन्होंने आज ये बहुत बड़ा कदम उठाया और इस नाम को जो है ये बुलंदियों पे लेके गए हैं. और ये तभी हुआ है आज जो हमारे हॉकी मेन और वुमेन हॉकी दोनों टीम्स ने जो बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी और पूरे हॉकी कर दिया उन्होंने इंडिया में, और जिसकी वजह से आज पीएम साहब ने इतना बड़ा स्टेप लिया, और बहुत बहुत उनका भी धन्यवाद। और ये आज बहुत खुशी का दिन है हमारे लिए।
धन्यवाद आपका राजवीर जी। राहुल सिंह is also with us right now. राहुल, I am just going to quickly quote कि अभी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने क्या कहा है, और उन्होंने एक तरीके से अपील करी है कि देश को गर्वित कर देने वाले पलों के बीच अनेक देशवासियों का ये आग्रह भी सामने आया है कि खेल रत्न पुरस्कार का नाम मेजर ध्यानचंद जी को समर्पित किया जाए। लोगों की भावनाओं को देखते हुए इसका नाम अब मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न पुरस्कार किया जा रहा है। So that is the official announcement, Rahul. What do you feel of this announcement that has been made by the Prime Minister?
यह तो हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है, और हमारे आदरणीय मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री जी जो है डिसीजन मेकर्स हैं, वो हमेशा डिसीजन लेने के लिए जाने जाते हैं। और आज उन्होंने जो यह डिसीजन लिया है, जो अनाउंसमेंट की है, उससे हम सभी हॉकी खिलाड़ी और पूरे भारत के स्पोर्ट्स लवर्स बहुत ही गौरवान्वित महसूस करेंगे। और अब एक हमारी रिक्वेस्ट आपके चैनल के थ्रू ये भी होगी कि मोदी जी इस बार दादा ध्यानचंद को क्या कहते हैं भारत रत्न का भी पुरस्कार अगर दे दें तो शायद हम और ज्यादा खुशी महसूस करेंगे, जो कि अभी तक कई सालों से रुका हुआ है। यह एक बहुत ही ज्यादा खुशी का मौका है कि हमारे दोनों टीमें सेमीफाइनल पहुंची। अनफॉर्चुनेटली द गर्ल्स लॉस्ट टुडे, बट दे प्लेड excellent hockey. They gave their 100% in the ground. But big congratulations to all Indians and sports fraternity for this announcement.
Rahul, thanks very much for joining us here on the broadcast. Gurbakh Singh is also with us on the phone line. I'm just going to add what the Prime Minister has also said in that tweet, that ओलंपिक खेलों में भारतीय खिलाड़ियों के शानदार प्रयासों से हम सभी अभिभूत हैं, और विशेषकर हॉकी के हमारे बेटे बेटियों ने जो इच्छा शक्ति दिखाई है, जीत के प्रति जो ललक दिखाई है, वो वर्तमान में आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए बहुत बड़ी प्रेरणा है। गुरबख्श जी, आप क्या कहेंगे, क्योंकि अब राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड, जिसे पहले कहा जाता था या जाना जाता था, अब मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड उसे नाम दे दिया गया है।
पीएम साहब ने बहुत अच्छा एक डिसीजन लिया है कि उसका खेल रत्न अवार्ड को मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड का नाम दिया जाएगा। और एक हॉकी के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, खेल प्रेमियों के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, देशवासियों के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि ध्यानचंद जी जो इतना बड़ा उन्होंने नाम कमाया, सबसे पहले 1928 से लेकर 3 ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल, और एक्चुअली हॉकी की शुरुआत उन्होंने की, और उनकी वजह से ही हमारा नाम जो है देश में हुआ, और हम सब लोग उसको फॉलो करते हुए खेले, और हम जो भी पाए, जो कुछ हमको अचीव कर सके, उन्हीं की वजह से कर सके, कि उनको हम सामने में अपना देवता मान के खेलते थे। और मैं भी यही चाहूंगा कि उनका भी इस जल्दी से उनका नाम भी भारत रत्न में उनका ध्यानचंद जी का नाम दिया जाए, क्योंकि वो डिजर्व करते हैं कि अगर भारतीय स्पोर्ट्स में अगर किसी का नाम अगर सबसे ऊंचा होना चाहिए तो ध्यानचंद जी का होना चाहिए। तो बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन दिया है प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने, मैं उनको धन्यवाद जनाता हूँ, और मैं समझता हूँ कि इससे ज्यादा बड़ा डिसीजन और कुछ नहीं हो सकता। थैंक यू।
गुरबख्श से एक और सवाल है आपसे, क्योंकि आपका अब ये मानना है कि जहां तक अगर कोई स्पोर्ट्स हो और उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने वाला वो ही ऐसा होना चाहिए, कोई ऐसा खिलाड़ी जो स्पोर्ट्स को खेल चुका है और उसमें काफी कामयाबी पा चुका है। तो अगर हम खेल रत्न का, जो राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड पहले जाना जाता था, अब एक ऐसे शख्स को दिया जा रहा है जो एक्चुअली लेजेंड है। मेजर ध्यानचंद का नाम ऐसा कोई लोग होगा जिनको नहीं पता होगा। उनकी जितनी कामयाबी रही है, उन्होंने जितने खेल खेले हैं, हर खेल में वो वापस गोल्ड मेडल लाते थे। तो आपको ये लगता है दैट इट इज नाउ अप्रोप्रिएट एंड द टाइमिंग कुडंट हैव बीन बेटर। अगर हम हॉकी के खेल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो उनका जो खेल रत्न अवार्ड है वो उनको दिया जाए, उनके नाम पे दिया जाए, जिन्होंने एक्चुअली खेला है ये खेल।
नहीं, बहुत जरूरी है। ठीक है, ये हो गया, बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन मेरा साथ में ये भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि बहुत दिनों से ये हमारी मांग रही है और देशवासियों की मांग रही है कि ध्यानचंद जी को भारत रत्न भी दिया जाए। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि उनसे बड़ा स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन अगर उनका इतना बड़ा सम्मान दिया गया है तो सबसे बड़ा सम्मान भी उन्हीं को मिलना चाहिए। तो बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन दिया प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने, और मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट यही करना चाहूंगा कि वो अभी उनको भारत रत्न भी दे दें। तो इससे बड़ा और इससे बड़ा और कोई डिसीजन नहीं हो सकेगा। तो बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब को।
गुरबख्श जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. मीर Ranjan Negi is also with us on the phone line. Quickly going across to him. What is your thought? What are your thoughts, especially when looking at this formal announcement that has been made by the Prime Minister, and it couldn't have come at a better time and opportunity, especially by the stellar performance that has been put up by the Indian men hockey team and the Indian women hockey team too.
Absolutely, at a time when the entire nation is celebrating India's performance in the Olympics, this news is really, really heartening. And we are all so grateful to our Prime Minister to show this fantastic gesture. In fact, all of us will be more happy in case Mr. Dhyan Chand gets the Bharat Ratna also, which we have been advocating for a very, very long time. He truly deserves 1928, 1932, 1936, 3 Olympics, 3 golds. Who better sportsman than him? And we are all very, very happy about the announcement. Thank you so much, sir.
And this is the highest post honor, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, as it was now previously known, has now been changed, मीर Ranjan Negi ji to Major Dhyan Chand the Khel Ratna Award. But also to be noted, as far as 29th of August is concerned, it is the legend's birthday himself, which is also celebrated at the National Sports Day. So the timing couldn't have been better. We are celebrating the legendary Major Dhyan Chand. We are celebrating our teams and the stellar performance that have put up at the Tokyo Olympics there. And especially to rename an award, this is the highest sports honor to a legend. That couldn't have been a better honor that could be given to Major Dhyan Chand.
29th August is National Sports Day, and his son Ashok Dhyan Chand, who himself is a 4-time World Cup, 4 Asian Games he has played for the country, and for a very long time he has been after the government to see that his father gets his due. And what better dates than this 29th August, when Major Dhyan Chand's the entire nation will be celebrating the National Sports Day, and it's a great gift from the our Honorable Prime Minister. Absolutely jubilant.
मीर Ranjan Negi ji, thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts and your views with us. So that is the big announcement being made by the Prime Minister himself, now previously known as the highest sporting honor given to any athlete, as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has now been renamed to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. And the timing is perfect if we also talk about the performance and the high expectation performance that has now been given both by the Indian men and women hockey team at the Tokyo Olympics, one team bringing back the bronze and the other team that has won 1 billion hearts. We are looking at a situation where just days to go, when Major Dhyan Chand's birthday will now be celebrated on the 29th of August. It is also known as the National Sports Day, where Major Dhyan Chand, who had single-handedly won us our first Olympic hockey gold, nearly 100 years have passed since then, and we're looking today that honoring the great legend Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award has just now been announced by the Prime Minister himself, and we're getting multiple reactions of people welcoming this move, welcoming the decision that has now been made by the central government. So as the hockey men's team, as the hockey women's team have put up a great performance there at the Tokyo Olympics, we've seen the kind of support that has also been given by the Prime Minister, as he has been directly speaking to the team captains, the team coaches, whether they are winning the match, whether they are not winning the match. That exactly shows the sentiment that the Prime Minister has been working upon, and he does mention in that tweet of his that he had been getting many requests from the citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views, and he also goes on to say that respecting their sentiment, the Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Jai Hind. So a lot of discussion that was already going on, especially when it comes to honoring the hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. And if we talk about what he's done for the country as a sports person, is too much, especially when we see the work that he has given and the contribution of Major Dhyan Chand. Gaurav Dhyan Chand, we are getting to know, is with us on the phone line. Gaurav, your first thought, we are getting to know that Major Dhyan Chand has been honored. The Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award has now been announced by the Prime Minister.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are very elated with this decision, of course. I think I would not be wrong if I say the entire country would be very happy at this moment with the renaming of this award. What I would also like to say is I would like to thank Modi ji for taking this decision and respecting the wishes of billions of Indians.
Absolutely. Do you believe that this time around, if we honor the game, it should be actually in the name of those who have won a lot of praises, have done a lot, and their contributions are immense? If we talk about Major Dhyan Chand there, Gaurav, his contributions are immense to the game of hockey, and this time around, naming a sport after him, rather a award that should be now named after him, is do you feel it's befitting the kind of work and his contribution that he's done to the game of hockey?
Absolutely, ma'am. I do believe that, any person who's done extensive work in his own field, these kind of things should be done on their names. I mean, sportsmen should get names on their stadiums, and people in aviation should get their names, who've done in aviation should get their names on the airport. That is the kind of country that it should be, rather than randomly naming whatever the current regime pleases.
Right, because Gaurav, if the hockey legend has to be given absolute respect, then the Khel Ratna should be named after him, and that is exactly what the Prime Minister has done. Gaurav, do you believe the timing couldn't have been perfect, especially talking about the great performances that have been put up both by the men and the women's hockey team at the Tokyo Olympics?
Yes, ma'am, I totally agree with you. The timing is perfect. The whole country was waiting with bated breath while our teams played their heart out on the field in Tokyo. The men's team did have better luck than the women's, but I must say the women's team did an outstanding performance this time. And we were very sad when they couldn't get the medal, but I think what they've done, what they've achieved is really stupendous. It is amazing what they've done. And Modi ji has been supporting players and sports, and this gesture will go a long way. And now I think every sports person in India is a very happy person right now.
Oh, I can hear that you are smiling too there, Gaurav. You're a very, very proud grandson today, because notably, Gaurav, Major Dhyan Chand's birthday also falls this month on the 29th of August, and it is celebrated as the National Sports Day of India. Now, on this day, we know that all the highest sporting honors, especially if we talk about the Khel Ratna Award, the Arjuna Award, the Dronacharya Awards, are given to those for performing excellently in the field of sports. This time around, it will be the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award that will be given out. How does it make you feel and your family feel?
Ma'am, like I said, it's a matter of great pride. It is a great honor. And we thank the nation for recognizing Major Dhyan Chand's feat. And we hope that this trend continues and other sports persons also get what they deserve.
Right. Gaurav, thank you very much. Gaurav Dhyan Chand, Major Dhyan Chand's grandson, joining us here on the broadcast. Thank you very much for your first views here on Republic. And that is the announcement, once again, briefing our viewers what it is all about that is being celebrated. Is now the tweet that has been put across by the Prime Minister himself. Crispino, my colleague from the Mumbai newsroom, will also help us understand what has been written by the Prime Minister and what's been promised by the Prime Minister while he made that official announcement. Crispino.
Let's take a look at the tweet of Prime Minister Modi. He goes on to say that I have been getting many requests from citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand, and I thank them for the views. Now, he goes on to say that he respects the people's sentiment that the Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Jai Hind. And another tweet, he goes on to say that Major Dhyan Chand was among India's foremost sports persons who brought honor and pride for India, and it is fitting that our nation's highest sporting honor will be named after him. Due respect for the hockey legend here.
Absolutely. So Major Dhyan Chand, who represented India in the 1928, 1932, 1936 Olympics, where All 3 times India won a gold medal, and this time around he is being honored. The Prime Minister making the official announcement that the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has now been renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. And the timing couldn't have been perfect if we are looking at the Prime Minister making that official announcement. And he's also been saying that he is acting upon as when it comes to the sentiments and the reactions and the appeals that has been coming across from various people around there, and have been asking the Prime Minister that to do something when it comes to honoring the hockey legend. And he has now been done. The highest sporting honor has now been named after Major Dhyan Chand.